Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting with the video you want to run in background. Open YouTube or the browser and sign in. If you have premium, you'll use the official feature, otherwise use the browser trick. Start the video and keep it playing briefly. Once done, lock the screen or switch apps depending on method. Make sure audio is audible before you leave the app, because that state determines whether mobile playback will continue. Now configure the playback path. If you have YouTube Premium, go to Settings, Background, and Downloads and set background play to always. That ensures audio continues when you leave the app. If you're on a browser, request the desktop site, start playback, and then switch apps or lock the device. Use the system media controls to resume audio. On iOS, use Control Center to resume. On Android, try split screen or the notification play button. This is the detailed middle step, where the method matters. Finish by confirming the system media controls, show YouTube, and hit play if it paused. Make sure battery saver, data saver, or background restrictions aren't stopping the app. Disable those for uninterrupted audio. If audio still stops, clear the app cache, update YouTube or the browser, or try an alternative browser with desktop mode. One key troubleshooting tip: always check app permissions and background activity settings first. Fixing those resolves most background playback failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.